Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how can you download Nox Player in your computer. So for downloading it, search here Nox Player and then go to this link, download Windows 10. If you are on Windows 10, so now go to this link, Win Download. So here you can see the downloading has been started. So this is of 571 MBs. So this will take a few minutes according to your internet speed. So this is how you can download Nox Player in your computer. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.